Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Good morning, student. Today in class 10 chemistry, the chapter is acid, base, and salt. So, this is your second chapter in chemistry of class 10 syllabus. So, here, as you know very well about acids, about base, and about salt in previous classes. So, here, acids. So, the characteristic feature of acids are sore in taste, means having soreness. Second, acids turn blue litmus to red. Litmus, it is a type of indicator that shows acidity or basicity. So here, blue litmus converted into red. So this is a property of acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and acetic acid. So these are the example of acids. Now second about bases. Bases are bitter in taste, means having bitterness, and have soapy touch. Whenever if it touch the base, they feel like soap, and slippery, and turn red litmus to blue. Here, blue litmus to red. What base? Red litmus to blue. So, for example, sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. So these are all base. Now third category, salts. So salts are the ionic compounds, means having ions, or you can say salts are formed by the combination of cation or anion, which are produced after the neutralization reactions between acid and base. So here acid react with base to form salt plus water. So it is a type of neutralization reaction by which salt is formed. So suppose that we have taken HCl, this is hydrochloric acid, plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So both the reactants combine together to form NaCl, sodium chloride, this is a salt, plus H2O. Dear student, salts, they are neutral in nature. So it is about acids, bases, and salts. Now student, here one can given indicators. So these are substances which indicate the acidic or basic nature of the solution while the color change. In another way, indicators are the substances that indicates whether the solution is acidic in nature or basic in nature while change in their color. So these indicators further divides into three parts. One is natural indicators, means natural indicators are obtained from nature. For example, litmus, turmeric, red cabbage and China rose. Means litmus, turmeric, red cabbage and China rose. These are the natural indicators and they shows color change whether in acidic solution or in basic solution. Second one, olfactory indicator. The meaning of olfactory means smell, change in smell. So substances which change their smell when mixed with acid or base. Means whenever olfactory indicators mix with acid or base, they change their color. So for example, vanilla and onion means both are the olfactory indicators. Now third one, synthetic indicators. Means synthetic indicators are synthesized in artificially, means these are the artificial or synthetic in nature. So for example, phenolphthalein, this is the one indicator, and second one methyl orange. So dear student, about natural indicators, about olfactory indicators and about synthetic indicators. In very simple, whenever turmeric powder mix with base calcium hydroxide, so yellow colored stain converted into red. So here turmeric act as a natural indicators. So this is about indicators. Now here certain indicators showing color change. So in this table, first name of indicator, second their original color, color in acid and color in base. So student, red litmus, its original color is red. In acid, no change, but in base it turn into blue. Second one, blue litmus, its original color blue, and this blue colored litmus in acid change into red, and in base there will be no change. Now litmus obtained from lichens, and lichens they are made up of algal component and fungal component. So next one is about turmeric. You know very well turmeric is a natural indicator. So its original color yellow, In acid there will be no change. What whenever in base it converted or it changed reddish brown in color. Now third one, red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice means this is a purple color, its original color, and this purple color in acid reddish, but in base greenish yellow colored form. So red cabbage also shows as a natural indicator. Next one, phenolphthalein. It is a synthetic indicator. So phenolphthalein, its original color is a colorless. So whenever this colorless phenolphthalein mix with acid, no change, means it is a colorless. But whenever in base it converted into pink. So phenolphthalein pink in base. Next one, methyl orange. Its original color orange. Both phenolphthalein and methyl orange, both are the synthetic indicators. So whenever this phenolphthalein add with acid, this is a red in color, but in base this is a yellow in color. Now next to, one is the onion and one is the vanilla. Both are the olfactory indicators. So here original color not applicable because both are the olfactory, means peculiar type or a special type of smell. So in acid no change, no change, means in acid there is specific fragrance or you can say smell same, but in base smell vanishes and smell vanishes. So student, about acids, about salts and about indicators. So this is it for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.